Hey guys, welcome to this session. Our topic is current electricity, and today let's discuss the concept of current, voltage, and resistance. In the past video, we discussed simply the concept of this current electricity. We saw various terms related to current electricity. So today, let's specifically discuss current, voltage, and resistance. And briefly, starting with the current. Electric current in a material, this is simply the passage of charge through the material. For example, in metals, free electrons, they carry charge. Now, this carrying of charge is what we call the flow of electric current. But in solutions such as sodium chloride, it is carried by charged particles that are known as ions. Insulators like wood and plastic, simply they do not contain charge carriers at all, as every electron is firmly fixed onto their atoms. So they do not carry the charges. So this means also they do not allow flow of electric current. The electrons are not free to move. So since the electrons are not free to move, so there can't be any flow of electric current. Moving on, let's see the voltage. Voltage, when several cells have been joined together, they form a battery. Now, every cell has a voltage that is commonly referred to as potential difference. Now, this potential difference is what causes the flow of electrons or charges in a circuit. Taking an example, a dry cell has a voltage of 1.5 volts. Now, this voltage is normally marked on the cell. Now, this voltage is measured by using a voltmeter. The SI unit of voltage is the volt. Now, if each column is if each column if charged is given 1 joule of potential energy, then the potential difference across the terminals of the battery is 1 volt. The PD between the ends of the connecting wire is 0, since there is almost no loss of potential energy over this section. Now, simply you can say that the potential difference across the battery equals to the sum of potential difference around the conducting path, whereas the voltage provides the driving force to an electric current, whereby this force is always opposed. Let's see resistance. Resistance, simply this is the opposition to flow of an electric current, as simply the current flows through the circuit, it encounters some opposing force. Now this force is the one that determines the amount of current flowing in an electric device. So I hope it's clear, guys. We've simply discussed the three common terms that are in current electricity, current, voltage, and the resistance. In our next video, we're going to see the Ohm's law, where we'll see the relationship that is between these three: current, voltage, and resistance. Thank you.